Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course Soft Skill Development. So this one is the last week and it consists of 50 number of questions. So we will start it from the question number 1. Question number 1 is true and false. The question is work family conflict is a form of inter-role conflict. Is the statement true or false? So the given statement is true. So the answer for question number 1 will be option number A, that is true. Moving to the next question. Question number 2 is the spillover model focuses on the relatedness between work life and family life, suggesting that they affect each other. Is the statement true or false? So the given statement is again true. So the answer will be true for question number 2. Question number 3 is self-reliance is believing on yourself that comes through practice and experience that leads to confidence in yourself. Options are true or false. So the answer for this question will be again true. Question number 4 is achieving work-life balance requires dash integration of the work and personal life. We have to fill the blanks with the appropriate option. Options are strict, minimal, flexible, rigid. So the answer for question number 4 will be option number C, that is flexible. Question number 5 is the stimuli that causes stress in our lives are called. Options are events, stressors, eustress, distress. So the answer will be option number B, that is stressors. Okay. Question number 6 is in the stress and performance curve, the stress is depicted on the dash axis and performance is on the dash axis. So the answer will be option number B, that is stress is depicted on the x-axis and performance is on the y-axis. Question number 7 is when an individual is highly stressed, it leads to. Options are high anxiety, poor performance, low motivation, poor performance, low anxiety, good performance, none of the above. So the answer will be option number A, that is high anxiety, poor performance. Question number 8 is which of the following is the best strategy for planning out your time? Options are delay any unnecessary work, delay all the unexpected work, prioritize all your tasks, all of the above. So the answer for question number 8 will be option number C, that is prioritize all your tasks. Question number 9 is in which resilience strategy life skills are taught by organizing a boys and girl club. Options are risk focused strategy, assessed focused strategy, process focused strategy, none of the above. So the answer for question number 9 will be option number B, that is asset focused strategy. Question number 10 is effective conflict resolution through persuasion involves. Options are dominating the conversation to win the argument, guiding parties to a mutually beneficial agreement. Option C is convincing others to adopt your perspective, or option number D, that is all of the above. So the answer for question number 10 will be option number B, guiding parties to a mutually beneficial agreement. Question number 11 is Rimi has made a list of appointments that she expected for this week. Also, she has divided them into different time slots so that she is able to save time for her lecture preparations. Which component of time management is she using? Options are planning behaviors, monitoring and controlling behaviors, self-awareness of one's time use, and none of the above. So the answer will be option number A, that is planning behaviors. Question number 12 is which characteristic is not a benefit of time management? Options are greater productivity and efficiency, a better professional reputation, increased stress, increased opportunity for advancement. So the answer will be increased stress. That is in option number C. For question number 12, option C will be the correct answer. Question number 13 is which of these are family friendly policies in organizations to maintain work life balance? Options are alternate work arrangement, leave policies, child care facilities, flexible working hours. So the answer for question number 13 will be option number D, that is all A, B, C and D are correct. Question number 14 is consider the following statements. Statement A is resilience is the ability to perform effectively under pressure. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversities, difficulties. Resilience is the ability to manage health and well-being. Options are only A is correct, only A and B are correct, only A and C are correct, only all A, B and C are correct. So the answer will be all A, B and C are correct. Okay. Option number D will be the correct answer for question number 14. So we have came to the last question. Question number 15 is consider the following statements. Options statement are statement A is change tolerance is not an essential ability in a stable workplace environment. Statement B is stressed individuals are less likely to adapt to dynamic unpredictable situations. Options are both A and B are correct. A is correct, B is wrong, B is correct, A is wrong, both A and B are wrong. So the answer will be B is correct but A is wrong. So let's submit it. If this video helps you at any instant, please like the video and share it with needy ones. Thank you.